Hello guys, and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a significant low that we need to continue holding on the short term and a very significant high that we need to see a break above on the long term here on the Polygon Matic chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, I want to start by first focusing on the significant high that we need to see a break above here on the Polygon Matic chart. And that significant high lies above the 0.27661. And you can see that that significant high has been acting as resistance, where you can see that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we saw that bounce into that significant high. We got rejected and started another massive pullback to the downside. Then from the lows we made on the 22nd of June, we started another bounce into that significant high, got rejected, and then started another massive drop to the downside. And that means that this significant area over here has been acting as resistance. And the moment we start to see a reversal here on the POL chart, we need to see a substantial break above that significant high, flipping it back into support, maybe with a retest. And the moment that plays out, that will be the start of something more bullish, where we can continue expecting higher prices, having the 0.54 USDT mark and the 0.75, the 0.78 USDT mark as our next upside target areas. We also need to have in mind that as a result of that key area of resistance, we now have the formation of a double top, having that as the first top. Then we have the second top over here, and then the neckline down here below the 0.17277, which is a very significant low. And remember that double tops are bearish patterns that break to the downside, having the minimum target areas being given by getting the height between the tops and the neckline. So we can get that height and then place it below the neckline, and on so doing you can see that we can easily get a massive breakdown move all the way to the 0.06215 in case we get a break out of these double top to the downside. Now getting to the significant low that we need to continue holding above, that significant low lies above the 0.17915, which also slightly coincides with the neckline of these double top that we have over here. And this is a very significant low that we made after the massive liquidation event on the 10th of October. And I expect that in the next coming days, Polygon Matic is going to continue holding above that significant low, because the moment we start to lose that significant low, flipping it back into support, then it is most likely that we are first going to get a 50% retrace into this week that we left over here, find support, and then get another bounce back to the upside. But if by any chance we lose the 50%, then expect that Polygon Matic is going to give us a weak fill of this massive week by dropping all the way to the 0.11633 in the next coming days. And the moment we start to see such case scenarios, we need to be cautiously bullish, because we can easily lose support and maybe at some point drop all the way to new bear market lows in the next coming days here on the POL chart. So those are the key scenarios that I expect to play out, and I have also shared with you the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding within in the next coming days. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.